Assalamu alaikum. Nadeem Bai, or Bobby, Samin, Mariam and Isha. In this video, we will learn how to add, update and delete the products and how to add the product attributes. Click on Products and then Add New. Now we will name the product. In this example we are adding ladies' leather bags. Now on the right side, we will add the product image. Click on Set Product Image and here you can either upload image from your computer or add the existing one in the media library. Now, we will select the category of the product. Here you can select the existing one or add a new category. Just click on Add New Category link and name it and also select the parent. For this product, we selected accessories as the parent category and the bag is the product category. Now, in the Product Tags section, we will add the product tags and click on Add button. We can separate the tags by comma. Now, click on Publish button to publish the product on website. Just click on View Product link to see the product on the store. Now we will define the attributes of the product. First, select the product data and select Variable Product. Because the bags are in different sizes and colors. Now select whether we can deduct tax on this product and at what rate. Now, click on Inventory section and define the SKU or other product unique identification standards. Now check the stock management as we are going to manage the inventory of the product as well. In the quantity column, select the initial stock and in the low stock threshold column, select the minimum order quantity. Now in the shipping section. Enter the weight of the product and its dimensions. Now, in the Linked Products section, select the products for upsells and cross-sells. Now, we are going to define the attributes of the products like color and sizes. Click on Attributes link on the left side and the attribute window will open. Here we will give the name of the attribute like bag color and select type as a color and then click on Add Attribute button. Now we will configure the terms of the attributes. Here in the name column give the name of the color and in the color column, choose the color of the bag. Now, after adding the color, select another color and click on Add New Bag Color button. We can even edit the attribute's color and modify all the details. Now go to the store and click on Edit Product link on top to edit the product. Just go to Attributes section and select Attributes of Color which we defined before. Here, we can select a specific color or click on Select All to select all colors of the bag. After that, click on Save Attributes button to save it. Now we will select another attribute of sizes from Select from existing column. Here, we will click on Select All button to select all sizes of the bag. After selecting all the sizes, now click on Save Attribute button. Now, click to On Variation section, here we will give details of each of the attributes combination. Like all sizes of black and pink color bags. Now click on Small Size Black Color Variation and enter the details as a separate product. Here we can define the stock s.k.u, upload photo, set regular and sales prices and reorder levels and also the weight and dimensions of the variation. After that, click on Save Changes and update the product again. Now click on View Product link and check the details of the product on store. Here you can see that as you will select the color and size of the product, its image, stock, price, and description details changes. Now, click on All Products to get the list of the products and see how we can select, update, delete, and even quick edit the product from the list. Now, click on Edit Product to go to the same screen of adding product and you can update all the details. If you want to delete the product, click on Trash link and it will be in Trash page. From Trash page, you can recover the product as well if you accidentally delete it.